Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I am going to show you how to fix True Tone option grayed out after update iOS 26.4. Lot of iPhone users facing this kind of issue on their iPhone. Even I have also faced on my iPhone 13. So in this video I will show you how you can fix that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First and basic method that make sure your iPhone updated to stable iOS 26.4 update. If you're update on iOS 26.4 update and you're facing still this kind of issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. So first press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. If that method not working on your iPhone and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings app. In settings app, you need to tap on general. After tapping the general option, you need to scroll down below and tap on transfer or reset. Tap on that. Okay. After tapping the transfer or reset, you need to select the reset. And you can see a personal screen showing here reset all setting and apply it on your iPhone. If that method is also not working and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again. Okay. Repeat the same process and then move to the erase all content and settings. Okay. Make sure you have a backup plan on your iPhone data. After erase your iPhone, it will 100% fix your issue. If that method is not working and you're still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone software update. Tap on settings app, then tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on software update and make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and it will 100% fix that issue. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone Pluton. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, just contact the nearest Apple store, they will fix. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.